Welcome back to the 100 years strong channel. Imagine having garlic that stays fresh, pungent, and sprout-free for an entire year. No drying out, no spoilage, just perfect cloves ready for your favorite dishes. I spent 30 years unaware that storing garlic could be so simple, but a long-time garlic farmer shared these game-changing methods with me, and they truly work. Garlic is a kitchen staple, adding flavor to stir-fries, stews, and meat dishes while eliminating odors. Many of us buy it in bulk, only to watch it dry out, lose its zing, or sprout. But with these 6 easy methods you can keep garlic fresh for months, even a year, using items you likely already have at home. In this guide, we'll cover how to choose the best garlic and 6 farmer-approved storage techniques to prevent spoilage. Whether you're cooking noodles in New York or grilling skewers in Nairobi, these tips will save you money and reduce waste. Stick around to learn a handy peeling trick and discover which method suits you best. Let's dive in and make garlic storage a breeze. Before storing, picking the right garlic is key. There are 2 main types on the market: white garlic, common, high yield, moist, pungent, and crisp, perfect for raw use or pickling. Choose bulbs with intact outer skins, which lock in moisture and block bacteria. Avoid garlic with peeling or damaged skins, as they lose water quickly, release volatile compounds, and spoil faster. Forceful peeling can also damage cloves, speeding up spoilage. A 2021 Journal of Food Science study noted that intact skins extend garlic's shelf life by preserving moisture and aroma. Select carefully to ensure your garlic starts strong. This method keeps garlic fresh for up to a year by blocking light and controlling moisture. Garlic sprouts or dries out when exposed to light and humidity, but ginger and salt create a protective environment. How to do it? Place garlic bulbs in a black plastic bag. Wrap 2 tablespoons of salt and a few slices of fresh ginger in a paper towel or gauze, tie with a rubber band, and add to the bag. Squeeze out all air, tie tightly, and store in a cool, dry place. Got a bin of rice at home? It's not just a staple, it's a garlic preserver. Rice and garlic work together to stay fresh. This method uses pantry staples to create a dry, sprout-resistant environment for up to 6 months. Surprisingly, cigarettes aren't just for smoking, they can preserve garlic by controlling moisture. For peeled garlic, freezing is a convenient, long-term solution that preserves flavor without sprouting. Peeling trick. Soaking in hot water makes skins slip off easily, saving time and preventing clove damage, which can accelerate spoilage. This method creates a pickled-like environment to keep garlic fresh and tasty for up to a year. Garlic is a must-have for adding flavor to noodles, skewers or roasts, but spoilage can waste your bulk buys. These 6 methods, using black bags with ginger and salt, rice, baking soda and tea leaves, cigarettes, freezer jars, or salt and vinegar, make storage simple and effective. They prevent drying, sprouting, and spoilage, keeping garlic fresh for up to a year. Choose the method that fits your pantry and lifestyle, and enjoy garlic's full flavor whenever you cook. Which method will you try first? Do you have your own garlic storage tips? Share in the comments, and let us know where you're watching from. It's amazing to connect globally. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with friends who love garlic as much as you do. Here's to a kitchen stocked with fresh garlic all year round. See you in the next video.